All right, guys, here we are unboxing my new headphones because rest in peace. These are like the 2016 version of the Beats by Dre. I mean, they lasted for 5 years. Kind of happy with that. They still work, believe it or not. They still work, but can't really DJ like that. So I got the new HDJ X5 DJ headphones by Pioneer. So I'm gonna switch brands. I've had Pioneer headphones before. They broke within a year. They didn't last as long as the Beats by Dre, but I'll give it another shot. So here's the unboxing. I really like the outside cover, the deeper connection, and literally I don't even know what is inside besides headphones, so let's check it out. So we got this thing. Let's see here. Okay. Oh, it looks like it comes with a bag, the manual. I mean, does anybody ever read the manuals? I mean, I never do. It's a waste of trees, if you ask me. Ooh, look at this bag. I like the texture. It feels soft. There it is. Looks pretty slick, if you ask me. Let's take a look. Ooh, nice. Okay. So, I think the packaging is like a lot. They use a lot. I would have been happy if there's a little box inside of these, but yeah, they got to do a presentation. So these kind of open up like this. Some DJs like when their headphones do this kind of motion. These actually don't do that. These just kind of go, they don't go inward. Some DJs like the inward motion. These just kind of go kind of like side to side. So I'm going back to this. Okay, so when it rotates outward like that. They're pretty light. I feel like these are heavier for some reason. Yeah, these are pretty light. I mean, they're black, they slick. They have Pioneer right here. It does come with the connection and the adapter. So the 1/8 inch and the 1/4 inch right there. Let's open this up. I haven't owned a pair of Pioneer headphones since I've had the Dre's right here. So I was pleased with the product. It's just, it broke within a year. So I decided to go with Beats by Dre, but now I'm switching back to this. So this one, this adapter uses this, like you screw it on. So that's a feature that I don't like. I like the ones that just snap in. But I mean, I do have an extra pair of these just in case. Always carry extra. So it looks like these have only one connection here versus I really like the option of either putting it in either or. So this one, you only stick with whatever side the hole's at. And that's what she said. So you just put it in there and you're ready to rock and roll. I'm gonna take these bad boys out tonight to DJ. I'm pretty sure I know what I'm getting with this product. It was $100. So yeah, this is my unboxing of these headphones. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.